going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day. Great evening last night. We had an amazing trading day today. Really easy in the MOJO room with the MOJO team. Hope everyone could have traded good today. That FOMC meeting yesterday was pretty crazy. Markets swung. They were down 2%, then they were down 10%, and yeah, the Nasdaq took a dump, and we played for that dump. You can go long and bet for it to rise, or you can go short and bet for it to drop. We bet for it to drop, and we were spot on. Yes, sir. Let's head on over to the MOJO room, and I'll show you what we did with the chat room and the team. And wish you were in there with the money flying. All day helping some people in the chat room. Let me get on over there. All right, guys. Yeah, so that runs all day. Did you get a 14-day trial? I have that on my site. I'm helping some people get situated with what they need to trade. Right here's a 14-day trial. See if I gave that to him right there. Hi, what's up, Peppy? How you doing today? Nice to see you there in the MOJO room. How you doing? Whoop. Show you what we did here in the MOJO room today. Let me scroll on back to the beginning of the day, and show you what we got going on in the MOJO room. Mission accomplished. I saw that. Oh, this was yesterday. Let me show you losing. So right here, let me grab my chips. So check this out, guys. This was yesterday at 8:12. Let me pull my leg. Let me get my leg situated. You know, I got a hurt leg and stuff. So I got to put this behind me. I got this thing under my desk. There we go. Now I could pull my chair in a little bit. Putting my leg on that. Now I could stretch my leg out a little bit. Got my wires all caught. There we go. All right, let me pull on in and say hello to you all. Here we go. Now I'm comfy. Mojo's got to get comfy. Got to get comfy at the command center. Make sure the camera's all good. Right there. All right, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. There we go, Moj. All right, so check this out. Hello, does anybody have a... You didn't get that? It's free trial. You can try. Yeah, download it for free. So right here, I started out the day with $60, and then the market opened, and I fucking lost, dude. I was down 166. I was down 500. I got stopped out. Lost, boom, 500. The machine shut me right off. By the way, I got to reset my rhythmic. On TTP and Apex. So I was down 500, got stopped out. I logged back into rhythmic, increased the loss to 750. So I had 250 more in chips to play with. Then I grinded it back down to 160. 114, $50 there, another $10 there, another $50 there. I'm down to $41, and this is copy trading. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, check it out. And look, the whole green bar, $200, I'm out. He's done for the day. So I went down, same as him, 300. Now I'm back down 340. Like, oh, I was just about to go green. Can you believe that? I did. I went green $1.50. No, then I came back all the way again at 10:45. It took me 45 minutes. I grinded it back again to green, to 750, then to 250. So I went from down 500 to even, from even back to down 300. Now back up $23. I'm like, mastery, man. So if anybody's been in that situation where you've been trading, you know exactly how I feel. You know exactly what I went through. And the mastery is what you need to grind that back, and how you control yourself to do that. So subscribe to my channel so when I go live, you get notified. Click that little bell, guys. Come on. Yes, sir. So after that, I needed a break, came back. Now I'm up $35, and I did another $35 trade. I'm up $70. Great job. Thank you. Right there. Nice comeback. I got stopped out at 500, reset it to no 750, not 1,000. So now I'm up $80. Now I'm up 100. Now I'm up 116. Go Mojo. I'm getting hungry now. You know what I'm saying? And then I got 132. And then QQQ was going to go into 273, which was going to bring SQQ lower. And that trade worked perfectly. Got it to 143. Now I'm up 150 from that comeback. Now 167, 186. I said, would you rather have little gains and little losses, or big gains and big losses? I'd rather have little gains and little losses, guys. I saw this thing on where was it? On Instagram. It said growing your account from 500 to 5,000 should look like what? This or this. I kind of like that. Let me see if I can find it again. Should have saved the picture. But it had, like, you know, big losing days and big winning days, and then everything was small. I like it small. When I started trading stocks and even futures, I kept messing up on a day like today where I fought the trend and I didn't take the loss, and it would never come back, man. I would blow up my account. I find that hard to do nowadays, as long as you have the stops in place as an 80 to 90% accurate trader. You just got to control the two losers. 20 accounts between firms making 2,000 a month leaves a lot left over. 40,000, you're making 36,000 a month. And I was going long on that SQQ at 55. It's 6150 now. Yes, sir. Small and steady, baby. Yep. Now I'm up to 450 and 205. And then the FOMC came. I went from 450 to 6. That was I went from 450, but that's simulated. 692 is my sim account. And then I drove this account. And then he did really good too. I don't know what that account was, but these four did really good. And then that was the end of it. That was yesterday, man. Can you believe that day? That was trading FOMC. Crushed it. Trading the NASDAQ futures for that dump. And then today I'm up $100, 129. And then I got this email this morning. It says from Pro Trader Josh. This was last night. I have been trading and learning from Mojo for over 5 years now, and I started by joining his chat room and taking his boot camp university class, which was full of information. This is where I experienced my first real teachings of how trading equities really came into play in my trading career of over 15 years. After learning the Mojo way of trading and becoming a pro trader, I've been more profitable than the rest of my years in this career. By his guidance, teaching lessons, and learning his way of trading, you'll become a more successful trader by using both technologies and techniques for higher success rates and higher profits. If you join his chat room, learn his ways of trading, and become a pro trader yourself, you will constantly have a way of trading with positive expectancy 100% of the time. Well said. There is no other trading room like the Mojo Day Trading Room. Pro Trader Josh, OG Pro Trader Josh, OG. Because when you've been with me for 5 years on sub, dude, you're OG. Yes, sir. There he is, actually, in the room. Let me scoot on over there. There he is himself. So, yeah, I just read your little letter there. How'd you do today? Did you make money? Mojo did 196 to 219. Did a $60 trade there to 273. Another $60, $30 trade to 302. Another $30 trade to 330. And then a $60 trade to 393. And goals were done. Now he got done real quick. One trade in 10 seconds. One trade for 295 off Mojo's picks with him. Then I jumped on that one to 485. I went from 390. That was almost $100 trade. And that was when he made. I made 100. He made 295. Then I jumped from 485 to 502, right there. And then I jumped from 502 to 510, $8 on the next one. Then I jumped from 510 to 701, 700 right there, boys. That's big. My current mood. You want to come and be, that's a lot of wins in a row. I put up the losers if I would have lost. But that's consecutive wins in a row right there. He did 750 for the day. 750. Great job. And then we did more trades, 6 long for the 62. And I bought some Mullen today, MULN. I like Mullen again, and I like some coin, COIN. 2 entries today. And then let's see here, long Facebook at 88.50, which is Meta. I like that one. That's 89.50 right now. Bought 100 Meta. And then all you got to do is click on this link. It'll connect to your TD Ameritrade account. You can purchase the 100 shares of Meta. No hesitation. You don't got to like log in. You know, it's already set. You already have your platform on the side. You click the link. It boom, connects, loads order, done. You're already in. Cool technology. Meta right to 89. See how it went from 88.60 to 89. Heinz, 89. See the big signal right there? Look how fast, 10:29:39. Watch how fast it goes through within tenths of a second. Look, boom, gone right through it. Took out that big signal right there. See? So the big signal was right there at 30. High was 28. Within tenths of a second, boom, new high. Then new high again, right there. There you go. Time for a break. Mojo just keeps on nailing them, baby. He's done for the day. Can't beat it. He's trading. He made $400 for the day, but it copied it on 10 accounts. So imagine like sitting at the blackjack table and you put your chips down, right? And then you put your chip on the next spot next to you and the next spot, and you have all 10 spots at the table. And when he deals you the cards, you're like, fold, fold. Blackjack, okay, I'll double down. And then you win, and you double down blackjack across 10 hands. You're like, holy crap, he just paid me 10 times, man. All I had to do was wait for blackjack, wait for pocket aces. So awesome. He did that great today. Somebody's talking with me, asking me to join an affiliate trading. Please confirm that. It's not me. Send me the message, screenshot it. Yes, so everyone's impersonating the Moj. Everyone's impersonating the Moj. Chiragasagosaurus. Yes, sir. So let's see what was hot in the market today. Screenshot me the message and who it is. I'll check it out. Maybe I got an impersonator in the room. Ooh, my leg hurts. Let's see if I got an impersonator, any chief pro trader mics besides me. And not today. Yeah, there is one. Look. Right here. See him? Chief pro trader Mike right here. See his profile 7779. He's a fake and his thing's offline. He's invisible. So we're gotta kick him. See him? He's a fake. I'm number 9750. So if you come down to me, that's me, 9750. On a member since 2016. He's been a member since May 31st, 2022. Yeah, nice, Chief Pro Trader Mike. We're gonna ban him. Suspicious or a spam account. See ya. Let's see who else we got in here. Any other suspicious names? Chorta had never joined. What up with that? You've been missing out so much on that. It's crazy. Chorta. Hey, what's going on, Fly? What's going on? Hey, Nero. Nero's here today, too. Cool, man. A lot of guys are here. Some people are here, though, that shouldn't be here, so I'm kicking you out. I don't like when people cancel my subscription, but let me come to the room every day and continue to do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you're saying. Hey, what's going on, Nolan? Haven't seen you lately. Bitcoin's rising. Ethereum's 1546. Gas is cheap. Yeah, okay. So I cleaned up the Mojo. Got the imposter out of that room. So yeah. So some good firms, man, trading. Here's the Apex Trader Funding, the one firm I'm with right here. Got a couple funded accounts with them. They just funded out like some crazy numbers last month. 5,000 traders funded last month or something like that. Mojo's got a nice piece of that. You want to become a funded trader, get with them for sure. They're great. Really, really like that company. Big and respectable, and they do what they say they're gonna do. They paid me, so hey, you can get paid. They didn't pay me, I'd say, hey man, they didn't pay, but they did. They paid me, so hey. I'm like, hey, they pay, so you can get paid. You like that? I gotta go get a new printer today. I got that printer that Shaq got, that printer with the ink. All over the place, man. That ink goes all over the place, dude. Not a good printer there. That's a good company though, Apex. Got a link in the description, dude, in the YouTube right there in the chat. You can watch this webinar that I'm doing. It's unbelievable. All right, so yeah, we traded FOMC yesterday. It was very volatile around that. Waited for the movement to die down and took my shot and crushed it on that. Didn't fight the trend, went with the trend. Let's see what's in the news today. Anyone getting hit with a hammer? Stocks tumble after Powell's gets hit with a hammer. He looks like that guy. What's his name's husband? Powell, that guy. They all look the same, man. It's crazy. Old, and there's another guy, Warren, but that's not Buffett. That's the guy for the president. What's his name? Bernie. It's Bernie, crazy Bernie. There we go. See, look, they all look alike. See, look, they all look alike. That guy, that guy. They all look alike. Oh, look at this guy. Gee, ex-Fed Green. Imagine I'm surprised he's not still running the show. This guy and this guy. There he is walking on the beach. There's another one. Yeah, no headlines today, really. State attorneys sue Albertsons, $4 billion dividend payout. After her accountant pulled her aside, supermodel Tyra Banks, worth an estimated $90 million, she realized was doing with this. Tyra is worth $90 million, but the supermodel who grew up pinching pennies admits she has trouble spending money and actually saved to a fault. Pinching pennies, admitted to money that she had trouble spending money to actually save to a fault. But while she may have saved too much, pros say that saving is more than most you should actually strive to do. Yeah, great for Tyra. Penny pincher. What else in the news? Fed hikes interest rates. We know that. Oh my gosh, why am I not in the market? Investors will be shocked about what's to happen next. Trick right there, don't believe it. Kramer says buy these strong stocks. I don't know about that. Kramer's betting against you. It's a trick. He does that all the time too. Crazy tricks. All right, nothing. Chinese tycoon spent 8 years and $3 billion on EV that went unbuilt. Okay. How about we look at crypto and Cointelegraph. Web Summit Libsyn, latest updates. Nope. How about some article? Bitcoin's 20,000 support looks weak. And nothing good in the news, guys. Can't come Friday quick enough. It's done. It's great being done for the day trading. Let's head over to the main screen and see what's going on with some of the stocks and gainers for the day. So here's we got the gainers. So we have this HUDI, HUDI, Huati International Group is up 94% at $60 per share. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. Ooh, look at these. Wow. So this thing went up at 11 o'clock here, went from $20 to $70. What a scam, dude. I hate stocks because it's scamming like that. Let's look at the news. HUDI, HUDI, China company. Strategic plan to enter new energy initiatives with local government and construction. The biggest scam ever. Some Chinese company on our exchange burning everyone, using our liquidity on our exchanges. Go use your own China exchange, man. If I was opening a company, we're going to go list on an exchange. I'd be like, hey, partner, let's go to Japan and list on their exchange, bro. Or the Russian exchange. I mean, give me a break, bro. The India exchange. Dude, give me a break, man. Not right. And the company's not located here. They ain't located here. Here you go, profile. Where are they located? They're located in Wenzhou in Long District, China, man. Watch, the website ain't even real. Look, there you go. Website, can't even get to it. Stock's worth $70. Jeez Louise, what a ripoff stocks are, dude. NRDS, let's see this one. up 39% from 11.50 to 14. Nerd Wallet. Nice name. Nerd Wallet. What's the symbol? NRDS. How come they couldn't get Nerd? What's Nerd? Nerd is Round Hill Video Games ETF. They got it. They would have loved to have gotten that name, huh? Someone else got it. NRDS Nerd Wallet. They reported third quarter results. Okay. How about some of my swing picks that I came out with in my newsletter? They reported results too. Let's see some of my picks in this Mojo Halloween newsletter. The first one is REVB at 31 cents. REVB. Revelation Biosciences. It's 25.82 right now. Down a little bit from my pick. It's a good buy because they have increased growth from a loss of $1 to a loss of 30 cents. They come out with earnings. 9 days ago, announces positive results in preclinical model of acute and chronic kidney disease. So they haven't come out with earnings yet, but they announced a $5 million offering. So it's got to pump sometime for that. Get ready. Next one is OBLG at 34 cents, going from a loss of 45 to a loss of 26. OBLG at 34 cents. OBLG. And take a look at the year chart on this thing. Basin ready to pop up and fill this gap, dude. See that? Look at OBLG. 27 cents, also down a couple of pennies from where I picked it. Look at the year chart on this. And volume coming in right here too. See that? A lot of gap to fill on that upside. Granted a 180-day extension to regain compliance. Let's see what it says here. So they got 180 days. So the price will spike up so they can get compliant again at $1 a share. How sick would that be, dude? Right? Right? And it's now at 27 cents. So that thing has 180 days to rise to $1. That's 5x from here. So if it goes down a little bit, stop out at 15%, but the upside's 300. OBLG right there. Mojo got that one. And then AGLE at 92 cents. Look at this, increased earnings estimates for 2 years. Beautiful at 92 cents with earnings coming out on 11/4. It says 11/4. It's tomorrow. AGLE. AGLE from 92 is $1.15. Went up. Look at the year on this one. Sexy. Look at that volume coming in, ready to fill that gap on the upside. Yes, sir. Agile reports misses revenue estimates. They came out. Let's see what they did. Agile lost 19 cents a share compared to 31 cents a year ago. That's like big. The quarterly went a surprise of 20%. Look at that. Surprise, surprise. Mojo's got another good winner. Oh, on that one. That's AGLE. The next one was SND provides high quality raw frac sand called Smart Sand at 223. 4 quarters of good earnings down here, up 132%, 52, 38, and 47 at 223 SND. Smart Sand, you ever heard of that one? Nope, not until Moj just told you about it. Look, it's 238. Moving, baby. Look at the year on this one. Moving, filling in the gap, Moj. Yes, sir. Reports next week. Expects earnings growth. Yes, sir. You better believe it. Earnings growth. I'll tell you what it's going to do. It's going to go from a loss of 8 to making 12 cents. Huge. That's a pretty sign right there. Smart Sand. And then we got QNGE at $1. Not at 3. It opened up at $1. QNGY. I think it's went to $1.30. It's back at $1. Now that's a good buy right there, 75 cents on QNGY. It was $4.37 the other day it went to after the pick. Yes, sir. Right down here, QNGY, 75 cents. Look, market with 100 shares right there. Then the last one is Data IO. Look at the growth there from a loss of 32 to loss of 13. Increased estimates for 2 years with a small float of 8.8 million at 380. And the last quarter, a 900% increase on Data IO at 380. Let's see what Data IO did. 411 right now, and it's down. Yesterday it went up a little bit more. Yesterday went to 419, just chilling like a villain right there on Data IO. Yes, sir. Those are the mojo picks. In the wake of NASDAQ disaster, mojo picks do well. Yes, sir. And yeah, that's what we do right there. Got a message in the chat. Yeah, I did a CVS pick to go through 100. Look at CVS, 98. Look, filling in that gap on CVS right there. See that? Ready to hit 100. It hit 99.44. Oh, yeah. I feel like Jesse Livermore running to my broker's office to go buy 500 shares, and then it opens tomorrow at 114, and then opens the next day at 142. Just like the story of Jesse Livermore. Gotta love it. All righty. What's going on in the chat room? Just got some CVS at 98.16 was that Tradical call in the chat room. Very nice. To put CVS now on my thing. Let's do QNGY too at 75 cents. Do a QNGY at 75. I like that one, boy, down there. Nice to be done for the day, guys. That's what we do. All entertainment purposes only. Yes, sir. If you have any questions, just ask them in the chat, man. And please give me a like on the video, guys. Come on here, show you what the markets do, show you how Mojo makes money. Funded trader with the futures on a big win streak. As long as you space out the lots, very hard to lose on the micros. Got to trade the micro futures, and then you're good to go. All right, been quite some day today. Nice half hour of getting to know y'all. That hoodie just went by, HUDY at 72 bucks. Look at that. Just halted, HUDY, that hoodie. Manipulated piece of crap. Crazy stock that people shorted and keep on getting stuck in a short squeeze. Look, it's at $90. Who imagine at $23 you do 1,000 shares short and not like 50. Now you're short 2,000 shares. And now you're down 25 points, you're down $50,000. Just like that on some stupid Chinese manipulated good for nothing stock. Crazy, isn't it? HUDI. Absolute bonkers craziness. Amazing. Glad I'm not in that, right? If you're in that, you're in it. No saving you now, guys. If you're short, you're effed. If you're long, you're stupid. Either one, trading that, you're a moron. I don't want to trade with you. I don't want you in my, I don't want to correct that. There's no correcting that. Guys that want a commitment to learning a system that works, in order to win a poker tournament, I tell you, because I've won a lot of poker tournaments. Okay? In order to win a poker tournament, it's not what hands you play. It's what hands you fold. And you don't play. That's how you make, and that was the right hand, this is the left hand. And that's how you make it to the final table. You have to be able to flip the chips like this with both hands when you're sitting at the table. So like when you're thinking about a play, you're like, should I raise him? He's like, damn, that guy plays a lot. You know, that guy plays, he can flip the chips, spin it around and stick it back in between the other one. Takes a lot of time at the felt. A lot of hand coordination. See, whoop. Hand's a little rusty. When I started Mojo University 8 years ago and I did my first chip twirl like that, I couldn't do it at all. My goal by the time you were done learning my back-tested system and how I trade was for me to spin this 3 times by the time the course ended in like a week. And I did it. I was committed. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. See? Commitment, focus, practice. That's what it is. So yeah, you ain't gonna make it to the final table not folding hands like this hoodie. Gotta fold hands like the hoodie, man. Hoodie's not good. Hoodie sucks. Hoodie be not good. Yes, sir. So we're at 336. That thing's halted. What are we down here on the market? Dow's down 5. Comp's down 122. Comp fell 5,000 points. Weekly. Yeah, look, it was up here at 15,000. It's at 10,000. And that's since April. 15,000 to 10. Look at that. It tested 10,088. Look at that, dude. Wow. 10,402. We're looking weak. You think SQQ is going to go up 10%? Go test the high of 69? Look, it went right here, 69.55. It came from 30 bucks. See this? $30 to 60, back down to 50, 48, right back through mini 50, up through 61, just like a stock does, dude. Just like a stock does on a daily basis. That's what this thing has done over time. Yes, sir. And that's it. Good trading today, guys. Links below in the description for my webinars and everything going on. Go ahead and do that. Check it out. It's been a pleasure hanging with you today. I'll come on and give you updates if anything else happens or I see anything that you need to know. So peace. Keep it profitable. Later.